Okay, so today is Samaya's first day using her credit card with her name on it. But before she was able to use a credit card, she had to have an understanding of what it is and how to pay it back. So what is a credit card, Maya?
A credit card is when you borrow money from another person and pay them back later.
Okay, how do you pay them back later?
Never pay the minimum. Always pay the amount you spent or the amount closest to it to avoid high interest rates.
Okay. So let me throw this at you. Who are you?
I am a daughter of a king, bloodline of a survivor, mind of a conqueror with Christ-like heart.
Oh, okay. Kinetis.
Soy haré un rey, ligeramente sobreviviente, un conquistará con un Cristo como el corazón.
Wow. Investing positive time and knowledge into your children will pay off in the long run. Let's get it, parents. Hit the green button.